Hi, I am Archana Gupta. So let's begin to solve the given question. The question says if the population of a town is P in the beginning of any year, then it becomes 3 plus 2P in the beginning of the next year. If the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, then the population in the beginning of 2034 will be. So let's begin to solve the given question. So here first year population is given as P, which is equal to population of 2019, which is equal to 1000. So why I am taking 2019 as the population? Because it is given in the question that if the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, so here the beginning year is 2019. So second year population, that is 2020, we will get as 3 plus 2P, which is given in the question. So here P is the previous year population. So we can write 3 plus 2 into 1000, that is 2003. Next, the third year population, that is 2021, equal to 3 plus 2P. Here also P is the previous year population. So for this year, that is 2021, the previous year is 2020, that is 2003. So in place of P, we'll write this 3 plus 2P. We will get 3 plus 6 plus 4P, which is equal to 9 plus 4P. And if we do the calculation, we will get 4009. Similarly, with the fourth year population, that is 2022, equal to 3 plus 2P, equal to 3 plus 2. P is the previous year population. So for this 2020, the previous year is 2021. And here it is given 9 plus 4P. We have got 9 plus 4P. So here it is 3 plus 18 plus 8P. That is 21 plus 8P. So manually we can calculate the population of 2034, but it will be a very lengthy process to calculate the population of 2034. So we will observe the pattern followed in this population to find the population. So let me write the population of all the year. So for the first year, we have got P. For the second year, we have got 3 plus 2P. For the third year, we have got 9 plus 4P. For this fourth year, we have got 21 plus 8P. So let us observe the pattern followed in this to find the population. So let me take this 2P. So can we write this 2P to the power 2 minus 1 into P? We will get 2 to the power 1 is to P, that is into P, that is 2P. So the pattern followed, so this pattern is followed here. So we can write this as 2 to the power n minus 1 into P. N is the year, we have taken the year, n equal to 2, second year, so n equal to 2. Next, for this 4P, you can write as 2 to the power third year, so 2 to the power 3 minus 1 into P. We will get 2 to the power 2 into P, that is 4P. So here also the pattern is acceptable, it is followed. So for here also 2 to the power n minus 1 into P. N is 3. Why 3? We have taken the year. N equal to year. Similarly for this 2 to the power 4 minus 1 into P. So here we will get 2 cube into P, that is 8P. So here also the pattern is followed. So same pattern is followed here also. So let us check here. 2 to the power first year. So 1 minus 1 into p. We will get 1 minus 1 0. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we will get ultimately p. So we have got the pattern for this. Now let us find the pattern for this 3, 9 and 21. So we can write here p as 1 into p. That is 1 we can write it 3 into 0. We will get ultimately, sorry. So here it is follows 3 into, we can write here 3 into 0 plus p. 3 into 0 you will get 3, we will get 0 plus p. For here we can write it 3 into 1, this one 3 into 1. For 9 we can write as 3 into 3. For this 21 we can write as 3 into 7. Now for this 0 we can see the pattern followed here is 2 to the power this first year minus 1. We will get 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0 is ultimately 1. So we need here 0. So we can minus here 1. So ultimately we will get here 0. And here it is 3 into. For now next this 3 into 1. So we can write here as 2 to the power second year. 2 minus 1. So here you will get 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So we need here 1, so we will minus 1. So the same pattern is followed here also. 3 into this 3, and for this 1, this pattern. Now for the 9, 3 into 3 we can write as 9. So for this 3 we can write as 2 to the power third year minus 1, and for this 3 into this. So for we will get 2 to the power 2, so which is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly for this, we will follow the same pattern. Fourth year, so 2 to the power 4 minus 1 into 3. So we will get here 2 cube, that is equal to 8. So 8 minus 1, we ultimately get 3 into 7. So here also the pattern is followed. So we can say that the pattern, after observing this, we can say that the final pattern is, let me write the pattern here. The final pattern we get is the pattern followed is 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 into p, which is the final pattern. Now comes to the question. We have to calculate the population of 2034. So in the question it is given 2019 population is 1000. Similarly, we know that for 2034 the year will be 16th year. So we need to find the population of 2034. The year we have got up is 16th year. So we'll put the value here and find the population for 2034. That is 3 into 2 to the power n equal to 16 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 16 minus 1 into p. So here we will get 3 into 2 to the power 15 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 15 into p. So here we will get, if we open the bracket, we will get 3 into 2 to the power 15 minus 3 plus 2 to the power 15 into p. So we'll bring the 2015 will take common. So I am doing the process here. 2 to the power 15, 3 and this one plus p, and this minus 3. So here we get 2 to the power 15, 3, and we know that the value of p is 1000. So we write here 1000 minus 3. So we get here 2 to the power 15 into 1003 minus 3. So the population of 2034 will be 2 to the power 15 into 1003 minus 3, which is the pattern given in the question option. So this I think this answer your question. Now let's begin to the next question. The next question says that a club has 256 members, of whom 144 can play football, 123 can play tennis, 132 can play cricket. Moreover, 58 members can play both football and tennis, 25 can play both football and 25 can play both cricket and tennis, while 63 can play both football and cricket. If every member can play at least one game, then the number of members who can play only tennis is. So in the question we need to find the player who play only tennis. So let me explain one concept. Suppose this is the football, this is tennis, and this is cricket. We know that in the question it is given that football players are 144. Tennis players are 123. And cricket players are 132. And let me explain one concept. If in the question, if it is asked only football means this part is only football. This part is only tennis. This part is only cricket. Now, and this part is all three. All players who play all the three games. All players who play all the three games. And this part is the one that play both, is a player that play both football and tennis. This part is both football and tennis. This part is both tennis and cricket. This part is both football and cricket. This part is both football. So this is only football, this is only tennis, this is only cricket, and this shading part is all the three players who play all the three games. All the players who play all three games. And this is the both players who play football and cricket. This is the players who play both tennis and cricket. And this is the player who play both football and tennis. Now let's begin the solution to the question. So it is football, it is tennis, it is cricket. So football player is given as 144, tennis as 123, and cricket as 132. And who play both football and tennis is 58. Let us assume that the player who play all the three games be, number of players who play all the three games be X. So if this whole is 58, means who play both football and tennis is 58. So if it is X, then it will be 58 minus 58 minus x. If this whole is tennis and cricket, the members who play tennis and cricket is 25. So if this whole is 25, this will be 25 minus x. If this is, in the question is given that both football and cricket is 63. If this is x, then it will be, it is whole is 63. This will be 63 minus x. Now we have to find only tennis player, or so we will take, so the process to find the only tennis player will be only tennis player. The players who play tennis is 123. So only tennis will be 123 minus this 58, the whole 58 plus 25 minus x. We will get 123 minus 8 plus 83 minus x. So here we will get 123 minus 83 plus x. So here we will get 40 plus x. So the players who play only tennis is 40 plus x. Now we have to find the player who play only, this is only tennis. So finally we have to find the player who play only cricket. So only cricket, it will be, so the players who play cricket is 132. So to find the only cricket, this part, we will subtract this whole is 63 minus this one 25 minus x. So we will get 132 minus 63 minus 25 plus x. So here it is 132 minus plus, minus plus, sign will be minus. So here we will get 88. So if you minus 4, here it will give 44. 44 plus x. 40. So this is 44 plus x. So we have got the only players who play cricket is 44 plus x. Now we have to find the player who play only tennis. So we know that all the members are, total members are 256, which is given in the question. So let us find the player who play only tennis. So 256 minus, we have to find this part. So we will minus only tennis part. So we minus this football, minus football part, 144 plus, we have taken this football part. Now we have to add this and minus from the total members. We will get the tennis player. So this whole is the football part plus 25 minus x plus 44 plus x. Sorry, we have to 256 members are there. So we will add this 256 members equal to this plus this plus this. Equal to 144, this football 144 plus 40 plus x plus 25 minus x plus 44 plus x. So 144 plus 40 we will get 84 plus this x and this x is cancelled, plus x minus x, so it is cancelled. Here it is plus 25 plus 44 plus x. So here we will get as 24, 5 plus 44, 9, 69 plus 184 plus x. And here it is 256. So here we will get 253 plus x. So this equal to 256 minus 253 equal to x. So here the value of x will be 3. So it is given in the question to find the only tennis player. So only tennis player we have got is 40 plus x. So only tennis player is 40 plus x. Here we have got the value of x as 3, that is 43. So the answer is 43. Hope this solution answer your question. Thank you.